Alright, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 81. It's my normal Monday shindig. And for Mogwai, who had 5 or more teams, you're going to get a little smattering of cards. You got a Malkin Takeaways and a Michael Boddicker Rainbow. A Ben Lovejoy rookie card. And a Mario Lemieux and Sidney Crosby out of 1999. A little smattering of cheapy cards for you. And for Kynes, aka Chuck, you're going to get Bernie Nichols out of 299. I found you a oldie but a goodie, Gilles Marat. And another oldie, Dave Taylor. This one's cool. Well, those are for you, bud. Enjoy. Move on to our sheet real quick. We got DA, we got Mog, we got Sneaky Little Hobbitses from eBay. You guys are in for a treat, you new eBay guys. We got Von Jaren, we got Drunken Alchemist, we got Tom, we got Kynes, we got Mog, Golf Nuts. Sure Shot had the free team from last break. We got Phyllis, Stock Exchanges, welcome. KCJ is back again. Esper, Sneaky Little Hobbitses. And oh, that's about all she wrote, so we're gonna roll for the drop team here. 30-sided die, whatever number it lands on, they're gonna get Dallas for this break. It is number 3. Number 3 is Sneaky Little Hobbitses. You're going to get Dallas for this break. And for the free team in next break, it is a number... in between 3 guys, sorry. Is a number 17, and that is Phyllis. There you go. One team Phyllis, and you're getting it right back. Wow, that's pretty good. So Phyllis gets the free team tomorrow, actually. Dope. Let's move on to the blue and white bonus. If you haven't seen it, any of these blue honored numbers, I'm going to give away 4 packs to 4 different people. Anything else, it's going to be a pack. And if it lands on the 5 or the 6, I'm going to be giving away this nice quad out of 10 of Rick Vibes, Salming, Esposito, and Denny Savard. So, good luck. It is a number 1. And number 1 is Bauer and Broda, honored numbers. So we're going to give away some 4 packs. And they're going to be, well, I don't have any packs on hand right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this box of Fleer and pull 4 out of here for you guys. I'm going to pull out the top 4 packs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to see who gets them. Alright. Pack number 1. Number 3, Sneaky Little Hobbitses. You're going to get a pack. Second one is 19. That is Mog. Mog gets a pack. Number 2. 13. That's Sure Shot with the free spot. You're going to get a pack. And last pack. As the guys on blog try to guess it, it's in between 3 again. And it's a 13. And Sure Shot again. So, okay. Pretty good free team so far for you, buddy. Let's move on to our box. It's a factory sealed box. Serial number is ending in 24. Yes. Break number 181, the Kessel Mojo break. There's got to be a Kessel card in here. Checklist. 10 packs. Empty box. Good luck. And a mem card in the first pack. Let's save that till last. Another mem card or possibly a white spacer. Hope it's not doing the white spacer thing again. Oh, it looks like it is too. So I'm going to open them now. We got Skinner, Markov, Backstrom, Vanek, and Anderson. White spacer. Throwing me off again. Boo. Grabner, Richards, Fleury, Iggy, and for the Calgary Flames. And Von Jaren, you got Mika Kiprusoff. Mass Marbles. Tom did not approve of that last hit to Calgary. So, Letang, Carlson. Freshman signatures in this one, we got Jimmy Howard, White Spacer, and for the New York Islanders and stock exchanges, you got Justin DiBenedetto. Freshman signatures not numbered. But that is a true rookie card. That's Hemsky, Briere, Andrew Ladd, Brandon Sutter. We got a mirror red for the Winnipeg Jets. And it kind of looks like the guy here, but an upside down version. So, Andrew Ladd, mirror red for Drunken Alchemist. Numbered 118 of 199. Gagne, Morrow, Gianta, Rene Bourque, Bufflin, and for the Minnesota Wild and Von Jaren, you got Nicholas Backstrom, dual mem red out of 150, numbered 66. We got Richards, Crawford, Lucic, Marchand, Spacer, and, oh, nope, Mog did not lose his mojo. Trust me. He got a gooder. For the Detroit Red Wings, you got a nice gold team gold out of 25. Of Nicholas Lidstrom, numbered 19 of 25. That's the first gold team gold I've ever pulled. That's very nice. Got Stahl, Kessler, Bobrovsky, Drew Doughty. And we got a die cut. Oops. Oh my god. Oh man. Well, I'm going to put that one back there for later. Pecorine, Reimer, Paul Stastny, Sedin, and that'll be used for the Sedin bonus. We got a spacer with something stuck to it. And for the Edmonton Oilers and Drunken Alchemist, you got Certified Potential of Jordan Eberle. Not bad. And for the Daniel Sedin, we're going to open up a pack of Fleer. We're going to do 2 packs. Hasn't been many bonuses yet. So we got Hablat, Marlowe, Shanahan. We got a gold medallion for the Sabres and Maxim Afinogenov. And we got a Brandon Dubinsky rookie card for Mog. St. Louis, Semin, and Hasek. And we're going to open up my very last pack of McDonald's Icebreakers. And we got Joe Sakic for Colorado and Tom. We got Dougie for the Toronto Maple Leafs and All for Kinds. And for the New Jersey Devils and Phyllis, Marty Brodeur. Not bad. Move on to this pack here. We got Kostitsyn, Alexander Steen, Jonathan Quick, Steven Stamkos, Crosby, and for the Winnipeg Jets again, Andre Pavelec, Fabric of the Game out of 399, numbered 371. And last pack before we get to the epic card. Giroux, Marlowe, Burns, Getzlaff, Spacer, and Backstrom. Any guesses on what this card is, guys? No? Ladies and gentlemen, and Drunken Alchemist, I give you the Nuge. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Or, as I like to say, the $200 bill. And it's the third one I pulled, so there you go, buddy. Corners look good. And it's numbered 446 out of 499. Back looks good. Blue swatch. There you go, buddy. And then we're just going to move on to the black box of mystery. Yeah, really. Well, let's do the Holy Mackinac bonus right now. The team that went for the most is getting the full refund. There you go, DA.
Holy Mackinac!
You just got a full refund on the Oilers. And let's move on to the black box of mystery 5 pulls. First one is 29. 29 is Esper. Esper, you're going to get a triple diamond, Henrik Zetterberg. And a season highlights glossy of Steven Stamkos. Next one is an 11. 11 is Drunken Alchemist. You got Trevor Smith, rookie out of 99. And a Jakob Voracek Rink Collection. Number 3 is a 25. 25 is Esper. You got Braden Shadden Triple Diamond. And a retro of Steve Bernier. 13. 13 is Sure Shot. You're going to get a Martin St. Louis Red Mirror out of 199. And a Drew Doughty O Canada card, under 18, from In the Game. Pretty cool. And last one is a number 2. Number 2 is Mog. You're going to get a Scrivens rookie card. Mwah, mwah. And a Jonathan Toews Winter Classic. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for bids. We're going to be back with video number 2, where we find the balance.